Dear learners, welcome back from the ad break. With me here, I have an activity that we are going to do together. Let's start it. And it reads, information number 1. Bought new vehicle from cash wholesalers for the office and paid $250,000 with EFT. So the document, remember, it's going to be your EFT 1. The date is the 1st. The details, whom we paid, it is cash wholesalers. And how much did we pay? We paid $250,000. What we paid for, it is equipment. So I'll come here and say $250,000 as well. Let's quickly go to the next one. It reads, purchased trading stock from Jaggers Wholesalers, $75,000, and consumables for $4.5. So I'm going to come, my date, it is the 4th. Whom did we pay? Jaggers. So I come here, it is Jaggers Wholesalers. Jaggers Wholesalers. And how much did I pay? I'm going to add my 75 plus my 4,500, which gives me 79,500. So I'm going to come here, it's going to be 79,500. But the 75,000 is for trading stock. So I'm going to come to trading stock, 75,000. And the difference, the 4,500, they say it is for consumables. So I bring it to the sundry accounts, 4,500 consumables. Consumables in the sundry accounts. I come now to the 6th, and it reads, the bank statement from Cabs Bank showed the following. The first one, it is a debit order payment to FS Insurance for the owner's car, $1,255. All right. So that means I'm coming here now. What is the date? The date is the 6th. All right. So whom did we pay here? FS Insurance. Okay. So if it is FS Insurance. FS Insurance. How much did we pay FS Insurance? $1,255. That $1,255, it was for the owner's car. So once we are paying for the owner's car, it becomes what we call drawings. So I'm coming to my sundry accounts, $1,255. Then we're going to say drawings, like that. After our drawings, we are going to now go to service fees. Say service fees $450 and interest on overdraft $480. These two amounts are being paid over to Cabs Bank. You can see they're being paid to Cabs Bank. So what we are going to do, we're going to come here. Remember, it is on the 6th, and this is coming from the bank statement. So our document here, remember, it's going to be the bank statement. Same as here, it's going to be the bank statement. So the date is still the 6th. And whom are we paying? It is Cabs Bank. We're paying Cabs Bank. In this case, you can see that there is $450 and $480. So the total amount that was paid to the bank is an additional $450 plus $480, which gives you $930. So I'll come here now, then I'll say $930. But when I come to my sundry accounts, I need to show them separately. All right? So the first one is my $450. I'll come here and say $450. This becomes what we call bank charges. Bank charges. And the remainder now, which is the $480, remember, it is interest on overdraft. So I'm going to show it again separately, and it will be $480. What is that? Interest on overdraft. Like that. So that means this column here will be left blank. My next transaction, which is now on the 7th, reads, EFT payment to JJ Wholesalers for the following. So we paid JJ Wholesalers two amounts, 58 and 10.5. How much is that going to give you in total? 68,500. That means I'm leaving this column. I'm coming now to the next one. So remember, EFT. All right. It should be EFT number 3 now. What is the date? The 7th. All right. Whom are we paying? JJ Wholesalers. Okay. In your answer book, you will have enough space to write neatly. And then the total that we paid, remember, 68,500. But of the 68, 58,000 is for trading stock. That means I'm coming to my trading stock and I'm going to say 58,000. And then 10,500 is for the office computer. That means I come here and I have my 10,500. After having done that, I come now to the last one, and it reads, bought trading stock for cash from STEM distributors for 65,000, subject to a 5% trade discount. This one is a simple calculation, as you can see here. What we want is the 95% after the trade discount, 100 minus 5, then we remain with 95. Over the 100, multiply by 65, 61,750 is what we remain with. So we bought, and remember, we are buying it trading stock from STEM distributors. So the date, it is the 28th. And we're now saying STEM distributors. Okay, so I'm just going to say STEM, then I'm just going to put a D there for distributors. And how much did we pay? 61,750. That was for what? Trading stock. 61,750. I want you to quickly add this up. When you're doing that, I'm going to quickly go and show you one that I've already added up. There it is. So from here now, we can post to the general ledger. If we're going to post, we're going to take that bank straight on to your bank account. How much are you going to see? There, you're going to have your 461,935. Can I post again? Yes, I'm going to post from the equipment to the equipment account. Then it's 260,000 and then 500. I'm going to post now to my trading stock account, and I have my 194,750. Do I still have more posting to do? Yes, let's go and post again. So I'm going to post now to my consumables, and how much was that? 4,500. I'll also post to my drawings, which is 1,255. As you can see, I've already done it for you. Then I also have my bank charges. There it is. It will be on the debit because these are your expenses. Then interest on overdraft, there it is, 480. Then eventually, when you have done your general ledger, it is important then that you also have your trial balance. Let's quickly see how the trial balance will look like. Here is an extract of the trial balance. Remember, the balance sheet account section. So the equipment that we purchased, the trading stock, as well as the drawings will be debited. And our expenses, that is consumable stores, bank charges, and the interest on overdraft will also be debited. Dear learners, thank you so much for joining me in today's class, and I hope to see you again next time. It is a goodbye and take care.